Welcome to the mathscenter.com. Day 5 of our 18-day intensive review for the IGCSE Add Maths exam 0606 is the subject code. Today's problem, we are going to deal with inequalities. Yeah? Before that, please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. And for details on the courses that we offer, please visit the mathscenter.com. Let's get started. Yeah, this is not a very difficult problem. On the same axis, we are asked to sketch y equals to mod x plus 2. Okay, y equals to mod x plus 2. And the other graph that we need to sketch is y equals to 2x minus 6. And then we have to solve this inequality. Let's start slowly. Yeah. Okay. You can draw a proper sketch when you have the time. Okay. Let me just tell you what we need to do. Yeah. Okay. Before that, yeah, I have written a complete solution, and it will be posted together with my video. Yeah. So you can access it without any problem. Okay, very quickly let me tell you how do you plot y equals to mod x plus 2. Okay, when x is minus 2, y is 0. So we have 1 point here. Okay, and then when x is 0, we have y equals to 2. So I have okay, and let's say when x is minus 3, we have y equals to minus 3 plus 2 will be 1. Okay? When x is minus 3, you plug in minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. The modulus of minus 1 is 1. So if I have 1 point here, and okay, so let's just quickly sketch it. Okay. Okay, you have a ruler. My line doesn't appear so straight that you can sort out yourself. It will be a V-shaped graph. Yeah. Okay. What is the alternative to plotting this? What you can do is you can plot the graph of y equals to x plus 2. Okay. Plot this graph. Okay. And then the negative portion reflect in the x-axis. Yeah. So you have. So don't forget to erase this part or make it into a broken line. So either way is fine, but you must get a V shape, yeah? Y equals to mod x plus 2. And then we have y equals to 2x minus 6. When x is 0, y is minus 6 somewhere here. Okay? And, okay, when x is, let me say it again. When y is 0, x is 3 somewhere here. Okay? Let me say it again. We are trying to plot y equals to 2x minus 6 when x is 0. When x is 0, y is minus 6. And when y is 0, we have that x equals to 3. So let's draw this line. Okay. So we have a straight line. Yeah. So this line here is y equals to 2x minus 6. And of course, this graph is, let me just indicate it, y equals to mod x plus 2. So, I would strongly recommend, listen, when we do sketches on the exam, please remember the examiner is interested in looking at the shape of the graph and where the curve cuts the axis, points of intersection, and so on. So, it helps if you have a reasonable scale. Don't just simply go ahead and draw it as you like. Have a reasonable scale, you have a ruler, tick off 1, 2, 3 and so on. At least you get a reasonable picture. Okay, it's very important. If you don't have that reasonable scale, okay, you don't have to go with such accuracy, but if you don't have reasonable scale, you'll find you can't see the actual graphs. Yeah. Okay, so I've indicated some points here. Okay, negative 2, 2. Of course, I've labeled the axis, y-axis, x-axis. I've got my 2 lines. All done. Yeah. Okay. The only thing left is my dog is here. Sorry about this. He's in an agitated state because there's thunder outside. He doesn't like it. So please bear with us. Yeah. So this point here, I'm trying to get the coordinates. Let's solve for that. So I have to solve x plus 2, equation 1, okay, that's this line. And this line here is, okay, y equals to 2x minus 6. Let's solve that. X plus 2 equals to 2x minus 6. Therefore, x equals to 8. So this point here is 8, 10. Okay, done. Everything is done. So let me tell you again. To find this point of intersection, just solve these two lines. We have got x plus 2, which is this part, and this one here is 2x minus 6. Clean that up and you will get x equals to 8. And when x equals to 8, y equals to 10. Okay, done. Now let's handle the inequality. Okay, the inequality, let me erase this part, we don't need this. Okay, the inequality says x plus 2 less than 2x minus 6. So our question you should ask yourself is, when is this graph, okay, below this graph? Okay, when is this graph below this graph? And that only happens, can you see, for values of x bigger than 8. Yeah. Can you see, this is where your mod x plus 2 is below 2x minus 6. Everywhere else you find that mod x plus 2 is above. So the answer for our inequality, okay, the answer is just x bigger than 8, and we are done. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow at day 6. Please follow me on Facebook and YouTube. If for any inquiries, please go to the method.com, where we have a whole area of courses that you can choose from. Thank you very much.